there, everyone. Miss MJ again here. And as promised, I'm going to show you what I use for video conferencing with my students. So, here it is, guys. This is what we call Zoom. Zoom, alright? So, this Zoom is a platform where you can do online conferences. So it's like Skype, ClassIn, it's like Google Meet, but there are different functions that are unique to Zoom. I would like to tell you that this is just my preference, so you can still use other platforms. I would just like to show you the functionalities of Zoom and why I find it convenient for me. First up, Zoom is actually pretty connected to my Google Calendar. That's why I can just schedule upcoming meetings. You can't, I mean, this is connected to my Google Calendar, but you can also use other calendars in case you have some. One more thing I find amazing in Zoom is that I can actually record my meetings. So if I need to discuss something and I need a student to review it, then I can just go ahead and send it to my student. That easy, right? Okay, so here I'm gonna show you the basic parts of the Zoom screen. So first of all, you will see there these buttons right here. We have this, and this. So home, that's where you will see these buttons, where you can schedule, where you can make, or where you can start a new meeting, where you can join a meeting, and the function I love the most, where you can share your screen. Okay, you can also have this. Okay, so if you have contacts, you can choose who you would like to send a message to, and you can chat with them. Meetings are the scheduled ones, okay? So yung makikita nyo dito sa button na meetings, ito yung mga na-schedule nyo na. So let's say you have a scheduled meeting for today. It will appear here, and what's amazing is that pwede kang mag-set ng alarm maybe 30 minutes before the actual meeting para i-remind ka na meron kang meeting ng ganitong oras. Okay? And itong last button is your contacts button. Alright? So contacts button is where you can see all your contacts. Obviously, right? So, nandito naka-save lahat ng contacts mo. So if you have like 30 or more, or how many would they be? Kahit ilan, okay? So you can actually save them contacts here. Dito lang, lahat yan. So if you would need to have a quick meeting with them, you can go to contacts, select your contact, and you can do that. Okay? Search. If you would like to search around Zoom, well, that's possible. And of course, this is where you see your own account if you are there. See, you can toggle with the settings, put in if you're available, right? You can pwede mong ayusin, okay? Pwede mong ayusin yung profile mo dito, this part. Okay, see? There are different views, portrait view if you want to. Okay, so this is just very basic. And mind you, this is downloadable and practically free. There is a paid version with much more advanced functionalities, but free version is very good in itself. Hi there. So now I am going to talk about the things that you can see inside Zoom. Okay, so earlier I talked about what Zoom looks like from the outside. So now this is how Zoom looks like when you are already having an actual meeting. Okay, so first up, if you can see this tiny little icon right at the top left corner of the screen. So this is your meeting information. So this is where you can find the meeting ID, the host, passcode, and all of that. But more importantly, this is where you can see the invite link, okay, that you can directly copy to your clipboard. Okay, so this is where it is. Nandito yung copy link na naka-highlight in blue that you can just copy para ma-send mo yung link through other media platforms. Pwede mo siyang isend sa Messenger, pwede sa email, so that participants can join the ongoing Zoom meeting. Okay? So important functions of Zoom are right here at the bottom part. Okay? Pretty simple, di ba? Ang simple lang. But these are basically just the functions you will need. Okay? So there is this part where you can see the number of participants. Nandito kung ilan yung kasali sa meeting. And if you click this, makikita mo rin dito kung pwede ka rin ditong mag-invite. Okay? Click that. There would be an invite thingy na pwede mong i-click. Pag kinlik mo yon, pwede kang mag-invite through email or copying the link again. Diba? There is a button for a chat box, okay, that would appear right here, ito, where you can chat everyone from the meeting, or kung may mga participants ka, just click the drop down arrow icon. Pwede kang mag-select kung sino yung i-message mo. Okay? Diba? So kung halimbawa, you need to say something sa isang participant, but you don't want other participants to see it, okay? So you can select whoever you want to send the message to. That's if you are the host, okay? So the host can actually manage restrictions when it comes to this button, okay? Another cool thing is this part, okay? So this is like um a tiny email button where you can select files from your Dropbox, pwedeng galing sa Microsoft OneDrive, pwedeng galing sa Google Drive mo, pwedeng galing sa computer mo mismo, okay? Okay, so you can select that file and send it, di ba? So kung halimbawa meron ka mga learning guides, e-materials, PowerPoint, di ba? Diyan mo pwedeng i-attach and send it to them, okay? So, another very important part is this one, and this is actually my most favorite part, okay? Share screen, okay? So this is where you can share your screen. It could be your whole screen, so be careful if you're doing some other things, like if you're opening or if your Facebook Messenger is open and you accidentally shared it, so be careful of that. Pero pwede mo rin namang piliin kung ano yung i-share mo. So, you can either share your screen, whatever you click on your screen, you can share a part of your screen as well. Okay? So, dito, the host, okay, kung sino yung nag-start ng meeting, will have the ability to parang mag-select or mag-set ng sharing options. So, pwede siyang mag-share one participant at a time, pwede ding multiple participants at a time, okay? So it depends on the host. The host of the meeting can also actually let you control the screen. Okay? So halimbawa, ako yung host. Gumawa ako halimbawa ng interactive game. Okay, let's say an interactive game where you can answer something. Diba? Yung game na halimbawa, pwede kang sumagot. Excuse. So, ang gagawin ngayon ni host will give you control over his or her screen. Okay, so magagawa niya yun through changing some settings, or pwede rin when the meeting is already active, merong mga buttons pa kasi na mag-a-appear at the top part of the screen na pwede siyang mag-set na pwede mong i-control yung screen. Okay, something like that. So, this is actually very good for interactive learning games, something like that. Okay? This button, ito naman, this is where the meeting, okay? The entire meeting can be recorded. Pretty cool, di ba? Ang galing. So, pwede mong i-record yung buong Zoom meeting. Okay? And convert it into an MP4 file later, okay? Or whatever file you would like it to convert to. You would like to convert it to, okay? Lastly, ito, fun part, di ba? So we also have this reaction tool button where you can make reactions, di ba? Pwede kang mag-clap, clap, clap, thumbs up, give love, laugh out loud, di ba? Yung mga emoji reactions like party, party, okay? So dito yan, dito. So you will just click it. There are just like 6. I don't know. I'm using the free version, so maybe if it's paid, baka mas marami pa. Okay? But, pretty cool na rin, di ba? And, so that's it. I think, yun lang yung mga important buttons here. Actually, ang pinapakita ko sa inyo is just the screen in itself. Hindi ko siya ma-click isa-isa and show you how it works kasi Zoom is very secured. It's protected. So if you would like to navigate the entirety of this application, download it. It's free, okay? And you can play your way through all the different buttons that I'm telling you about. And maybe you would also find this a very good app for online meetings, online conferences. Alright, so if you have any more questions, things that you would like to talk about with regard to online teaching, the tools I use, and other stuff, you can comment down below, let me know, and we'll work on that. So that's it for this video. I hope you find a lot of helpful tips, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. That is the end of the vlog. I hope you learned something. By the way, I make educational vlogs, educational videos and lessons, especially in grammar essentials and in mathematics. So if you like this video and if you want to learn more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.